Let's go to types of cash book. The types of cash book, we have number one, we have first one, which is main cash book. Under main cash book, we have subheading under it, which is a single column cash book. We have the double column cash book, and we have three column cash book under it. The second type of cash book is a petty cash book. Let's take the first one by explaining it, which is the main cash book. The main cash book, it has a single column cash book under it. The single column cash book contains only cash transactions done by the business. The single column cash book has a column on debit and credit on both sides. Record the transaction related, which involves bank or any discount. The transactions done on credit are not recorded while preparing the single column cash book. Know the meaning of a single column cash book. Let's talk about the purpose of 5 columns used on both sides of single column cash book. Let's take the first item in the column of single column cash book. We have the date. The date is very important. The date on column of the cash book is used to record the year, month, and actual date of each cash transaction. Another one is the description. This is essential because the description column is used to record the account titles to be debited or credited as a result of each cash transaction. Seen in this column is sometimes titled as particulars. That's the common name for it. Another point to know, which is the third point, is the voucher number. This voucher number column is used to record the serial number of a receipt voucher or payment voucher. The fourth point to note is a posting reference. This posting reference column is used to write the page number of each ledger account named in the description column of the cash book. Number 50 point to note is amount. This is even the purpose of preparing it. The amounts column of a single column cash book is used to record the money value of each transaction. Let's go to two column cash book. The two column cash book, it can also be called the double column cash book. It contains two money columns on both the debit and credit side. On one column is for the transaction related to cash, and on the other column is for transaction related to the business bank account. So under the double column cash book, the business also record the cash transactions and transactions through the bank. But on the other hand, the transactions on credits are not recorded while preparing the double column cash book. The three column cash book. The three column cash book, it is also refers to as three column cash book format, and it is a complete form with three columns of money on both receipt and payment side, and records different transactions about cash, bank, and discounts sometimes. This book is generally maintained by large firms that do transactions in cash mode and through the bank, and frequently allow and receive cash discounts. The triple column cash book, most exhaustive form of cash book, which has three money columns: debit side, which is the receipt, and payment side, which is the credit, which is used to record transactions involve cash, bank, and discount. A triple column cash book is usually maintained by a big firm or a big corporations. Having known the meaning of a column cash book or triple column cash book, let's go into the purpose of three column cash book. Let's go to it in a brief way. The items in it, we have the date. The date on the column is used to enter the transaction date. And another one is the description. Description column in this instance is used to write the name of the account to be debit or credited in the ledger, and as a result of cash or any kind of bank transaction. Another one to note is voucher number. The voucher number is used as an acronym in preparing it as VN. A voucher number is a document in support of a transaction. The serial number of the voucher is entered in the column. Number fourth point, another one to note is the posting reference. The posting reference can be represented by PR when preparing it. Each account in the ledger is assigned a unique number The number each ledger account that is written in description column is entered as PR in the said column. Number 5, another one to note is discount. The amount of discount allowed is recorded debit side, and the amount of discount received is recorded on credit side in the discount column. Totals of debit column and credit column are posted to discount allowed accounts and discount received accounts respectively. Number 6 point to note is cash. The amount of cash received, that is the net of any discount allowed, is entered on the debit side. The amount of cash that is paid literally means the net of any discount received is entered on the credit side in the cash column. The column is then totaled and balanced like a ledger account. Number 7 point to note is the bank. The amount of all receipts and payments made by the bank accounts are entered in bank column of cash book. This column is then totaled and balanced like a ledger account.